Millets have been there ever since agriculture started, but somehow they have not been a part of our daily food consumption. Millet cultivation is actually good for our soil, and millets are one of the crops that require way less water to grow. 2023 is a year of millets, and it is important that we make millet as a part of our meals. The commonly known millets are pearl millet, that is bajra, finger millet, that is ragi, sorghum, that is jawar, barnyard millet, that is sama, and amaranth, that is rajgira. The not so common ones are foxtail millet, proso millet, kodo millet, little millet, and many more. Using different millets will provide a diversity in your meals, and when there's a diversity in your meals, there's a good diversity in your gut bacteria. That's how you can sleep well, assimilate B vitamins well, lose weight, look good, and feel good. As India sees a rise in the number of diabetes cases, it is important that we start using millets. Millets are high in fiber, and as they absorb slowly, there's a slow release of glucose in the bloodstream, which prevents a glucose spike. So, if you are worried about diabetes, introduce millets as they are very good in regulating blood sugar. Millets are a great source of B vitamins, especially niacin and folic acid. Niacin helps to keep your nervous system, gut, and skin healthy, and folic acid is a cofactor for iron assimilation. So, add millets to get your dose of B vitamins. Millets are a great source of protein too. Amaranth, that is rajgira, contains all the 9 essential amino acids. That means it's a complete protein. So, if vegans especially are looking to add protein to their meals, go ahead and make use of millets. Millets are a great source of iron and calcium as well. In India, iron deficiency is very common, especially among women. Bajra is one such millet which is very good source of iron. Talking about calcium, as joint pain and osteoporosis is also very commonly seen, ragi is that millet which is a good source of calcium. As much as the benefits millets confer, please do not mix different millets together. They are high in fiber and mixing them may cause bloating. As much as benefits millets confer, please do not mix different millets together. They are high in fiber and mixing them may cause bloating. Use millets in their traditional form like bajra roti, rajgira laddu, ragi dosa, not in the form of ragi chips or nachos or multigrain bread. If you do this, you do not have access to all the nutrients. Simple secret to make millet rotis without using wheat is to knead the dough with hot water. If you wish to see a change in your health, especially your gut issues, introduce millets today. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay tuned to Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.